Next, we are going to study the division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Just now we studied the division of 2-digit number by 1 digit. The same way, we are going to do the division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Let us study it with the help of an example. 423 divided by 2. 423 divided by 2. Let us study how can we do this division. So in the same way, this is dividend and this is divisor. So write the dividend inside 423 divided by 2. So as we did earlier, take one by one number each. Take this 4 first. 4 divided by 2. That you have to take first. In 2, 4 how many times? 1, 2 is 2. 2, 2 is 4. So how many times? 2 times. 2, 2 is 4. Now what you have to do? Subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0. Again, the same step as we did earlier. Just write the next number down. Next number is 2. Just take one digit each. One digit. 2. This 2 into how many times? 1 time. 1, 2 is 2. So 1 time. 1 time. 1, 2 is 2. Next what we have to do? Subtraction. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again continue the same step. Let it be 3 digit or 10 digit or 100 digit. Continue the same step. Take the next number 3 and write here. Now 3 divided by 2. 1, 2 is 2. 2, 2 is 4. 4 is greater than this 3. So just take the number less than that. So 1, 2 is 2. 1, 2 is 2. Next step we have to subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. So we got the answer. Quotient is 211. Remainder is 1. Write the dividend and divisor also. Dividend is 423. Divisor is 2. So we got quotient, remainder, everything, and we studied how to divide. So how can we check whether our answer is correct or wrong? How can we check? So in order to check the division, there is a formula. Let us study that. That is dividend equal to. Dividend equal to, that means this divider 423 is, dividend is equal to divisor. Dividend is equal to divisor. Put a bracket also. Divisor into quotient. What? Dividend is equal to, in bracket, divisor into quotient plus remainder. This bracket means this calculation you have to do first. So you have to by heart this relation. Please by heart it. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Say it more times. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So let us check our answer. Here that means dividend. The same answer we have to get when we do this calculation. The dividend is 423. So when we do this also we have to get the same answer. Then only we can say our work is correct. So let us check divisor. What is, put the bracket also. Divisor. Divisor is 2 into quotient. Quotient is 211 plus remainder. Remainder is 1. So after doing this you have to get this answer. So 2 into, then thing written in the bracket you have to do first. 2 into 211. What is 2 into 211? 211 into 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. That is 422 plus remainder 1. This is equal to 422 plus 1 is 423. See, we got the same answer. So we can say that our division is correct. You understood? So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Next question. 17 divided by 2. And also you have to check the answer also. 17 by 2 can be written as 17 divided by 2. How can we do? 17 divided by 2. 2 into what is 17, or the number nearer to 17? 1 2 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 3 2 is 6, 4 2 is 8, 5 2 is 10, 6 2 is 12, 7 2 is 14, 8 2 is 16. Number nearer to that. So how many times? 8 times. 8